Alright, so hey guys, Chris here with Jack Cards. So this is my first video, opening up some, just one pack right now. Following up on my buddy David's first two videos, the inaugural videos of Jack Cards. Just a little introduction about myself. Like David said, we're all big sports fans. He's the only Bengal fan, and the other three we're all big Dolphin fans. So as you can see right here in the middle, we have my rookie Dan Marino card. And also just a couple little previews of two of my other cards in my personal collection. We have good old Tiger Woods, and we have the Marlins rookie this year. It seems like he's doing really well right now. We have Jazz Chisholm. So let's hope he could continue to play well for the Fish. So today we're gonna be, I'm gonna be opening up a blaster box of Heritage Baseball that I found at Target. I was super lucky to find it, I guess. Nothing crazy, you know. Heritage doesn't have much going on. It's just a fun pack to open. So let's see what we got. I already opened the plastic by mistake before the video, but let's see what we got inside. Yeah, it's a cheap blaster box, about $21. Let's see here. These are usually pretty fun packs, maybe as to open with your kids or something like that. Shouldn't get anything too crazy out of these, but like I said, they're just fun packs to open. I should be following up with a couple more videos. We're gonna be testing out different boxes that we buy, maybe mystery packs, anything like that. We should be bringing in the hobby boxes soon, so that should be pretty fun. Hopefully our other two buddies, Jose and Artie, could get into the fun and maybe make their own little videos and see where we go from there. Almost done here. All right, let's see what we got. Seth Lugo, Luis Reyes, Jaime Candelario. See, most of these are just regular base cards, nothing crazy, but still fun to open if you have kids or if you're just a collector of baseball. They kind of have that old style going on in the back with the stats, a little bit about the pitcher or the player in itself. We have one of last year's Rookie of the Years, Kyle Lewis. It's our home run leaders card. See, it's pretty cool. It has little different cards, different leaders of certain stats and different things like that. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, nothing crazy, but fun pack to open. Especially if you're lucky enough to find one at Target and you're itching to open up a pack. Sixto, that's our boy right there. Hopefully a future Marlins stud pitcher. Sixto. I believe he's hurt right now, but hopefully he'll make a comeback and come in strong for us. There's another rookie to watch this year. Ryan Mountcastle for the Orioles. two other rookies that are possible breakouts this year. Vlad Jr. Jacob DeGrom, he just pitched against our Marlins today. He got a loss. Had a great game, but lost 1-0. Yaddy. These are cool cards just because of the old feel to them. They even have the same like cardboard texture to them, which is pretty cool. Mookie Betts. The Judge. There we have it. So like I said, nothing crazy in this box, but fun pack to open. Again, it has like that old style look to each card. Fun to open with a family, with your kid. You know, if you're just pure collector, it's just fun cards to have. Nothing crazy, no autos in this one, no relics, anything like that. But yeah, that looks like it's pretty much it. All right. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our page, and we'll be pushing out some more content hopefully soon once we start getting some more boxes coming in. All right. I'll leave you with one more look at my my Danny boy. There he is. All right. Have a good night.
Jack cards. We're jacked up to open some cards.